fresh one. For using the fresh one, you need about a quarter of fresh fenugreek leaves. But here I am going to use the dried fenugreek leaves, and I will show you the spices which I am going to use. I have about 2 pounds of chicken there. I have finely chopped onion. I have few ball pepper, the black pepper, cardamom, and cloves, which I am going to use. I am going to use 1 cup of yogurt, the sweet yogurt. In this recipe, I have ginger paste, garlic paste, dried fenugreek leaves. I have cumin powder. I'm going to use the dry roasted cumin powder. I'm going to use the coriander powder. I'm going to use the turmeric and chili powder. So these are the four ingredients spices I'm going to use. Also, I'm going to, of course, I will be using the salt and oil. So first of all, to start with, let's begin the task by turning the fire on. I'm going to pour some oil. Once the oil gets heated, it will be now I am going to add the cardamom, add the cloves, and 7 or 8 peppercorns. Begin to crackle. I'm going to add onion. I'm going to add the chicken. Paste and the garlic paste. Put it around. Add the yogurt in a big container. 1 cup of yogurt and 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour. To this I am going to add a little bit of red chili powder. Going to add cumin powder. I am going to add coriander powder. turmeric powder, and I am going to whisk it together. I am going to make the yogurt paste and whisk it together so that we have a good consistency, so there will be no lumps. So our yogurt mixture is ready. I am going to keep it aside. Well, the chicken is done almost very well fried, because the rest of the portion we are going to add the yogurt mix. Once we add that, we have turned the fire to medium and cook it in a slow cooking process for about 25 to 30 minutes. So the chicken pieces are tender enough before we add the fenugreek. I'm going to add the Now I am going to cook it and cover and cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. I am going to cover it and let it cook for. I am going to open it now and check. Is done, cooked well. You can see that oil is on top. So this I will cook now. From now I will cook 10 more minutes uncovered. Before that I will add the fenugreek leaves. Well, so you can get the aroma of fenugreek leaves. I'm going to cook uncovered for next 10 minutes so that the flavor of aroma of fenugreek will blend in with the rest of the spices with the yogurt mix. So I will let it cook for 10 minutes uncovered. Almost like 2 or 3 minutes left for the uncovered cooking. I am going to add a little bit of garam masala and mix it well and let it cook for another 3 or 4 minutes. You can see that now the 10 minutes are over. It is cooked. You can see the oil floating on the top. The chicken is cooked well and it is done. I will turn off the heat and our methi chicken is ready now. You can serve it with the hot rice or with the chapatis.